tried to put on my air condition, but there's no heating. So when I came to the engine, I realized that there's no water here in the radiator. So I'm gonna put some water and see if this will solve the problem. Right? Alright, I've done everything, and I can confirm that despite putting some water there, the heating system is not working. I can get the air condition here works fine. This is the highest I could go. It blows out fine, but there's no hot air coming out. The only things, there's hot air if I can press these. The seating are heating alright. There's no issue of the seating. It's only the ventilator which do not work. I can feel warm air very far, but what I can say that more it's cold air than the warm air. So I'm not gonna, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'll try to find someone who can fix this, and hopefully you guys there have got any idea what to do. So the temperature there, it's about 80, and I've got here 29, but still no heating. All I can say that it's not like it's not cold, it's a bit of warm, but it's not enough. It's completely like just normal air, and when it is cold, I'm not sure what is going to happen. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys there have got great idea how to solve this. So keep subscribing and watch more video.